Hello, in this video, we are going to walk through how to create an adjustment journal within our NetClose reconciliation module. Here I have a listing of all of my reconciliations for my August period. Let's say I am reconciling my accrued wages account. We can see that documentation has been provided, and we can see our explained balance is $1,154.37. But we notice that there is still an unexplained balance. Our GL ending balance is short $100. And so instead of having to exit out of reconciliations, go in and pull up a journal entry and manually input the data and then come back into the reconciliation and create a new item and tag it, instead, we're just going to come here to create journal. So here I'm going to be able to input the details that I need for my adjustment journal. I can come here and we know that we need to increase my accrued wages by $100. Coming down, you'll notice it's pulling in the accrued wages account. If we needed to add any additional segmentation data to our journal entry, we can as well. And then I just need to specify what the offset account is. So I'm going to hit my salaries and wages for $100. I'm going to adjust my date here so that it is for, in this example, we are reconciling August. So I'm going to put this adjustment journal for August. And I am now going to select create. Once the journal entry has been created, you'll now see it directly linked to your supporting documentation for this reconciliation. So it's telling me what journal ID it is, the amount that we adjusted for, and the type is an adjustment journal. If I come here and refresh my reconciliation balance, you'll now see that we no longer have an unexplained balance and that our GL balance equals our explained reconciliation balance. If we want to get to the underlying journal entry, we can just come here and select the journal entry item. Here we have our reconciliation item, and so this is the item for our journal entry here. And you can see that we will have a direct link back to that journal entry. Here's the adjustment journal that we created from the NetClose reconciliation module. You can see it's hitting the two accounts for $100. If I had included any segmentation data, that would also flow through here. One thing to point out that you have the option to use a standard NetSuite journal within NetClose, or we have a custom adjustment journal transaction type that you could use as well. And that's how to create an adjustment journal within NetClose reconciliations. Thank you.